Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Runpod and Fast AI. Runpod and Fast AI are both GPU cloud platforms for AI development, but they serve different use cases. Runpod is a cloud platform that gives you access to powerful GPUs for AI tasks like training models or running apps. It's easy to use with a clean dashboard and quick setup, so you can get started faster. You only pay for the time you use, down to second, which makes it cost-effective for both short and long jobs. It offers persistent storage, so your data stays safe even if you stop a job. Runpod has a strong performance and is reliable for big AI projects or team use. There are no hidden fees for downloading your data, and it supports tools like Docker and Jupyter. Fast AI is a cloud platform that lets you rent GPUs from a global marketplace at very low prices. You can choose from many different machines based on your budget and needs, which makes it great for saving money. It's popular with developers, students, and hobbyists who want to run AI models, train neural networks, or use powerful hardware without paying too much. The platform gives you lots of control, but it may take a little more effort to find the right setup. Some hosts can be slower or less reliable, so it's best for flexible or short-term jobs. It supports tools like Docker and Jupyter notebooks for easy use. Overall, Runpod is better for reliable long-term AI workloads with strong support, while Fast AI is better for low-cost, flexible jobs where saving money matters most. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.